Can cracking your knuckles cause arthritis? Cracking your knuckles does not cause arthritis, but some research shows that cracking your knuckles for a very long period of time can cause a decreased grip strength. Why is there a pop sound when you crack your knuckles? The joints of the knuckles, there is a fluid known as synovial fluid that helps in lubrication of the joint. There are small pockets of air that are found in the synovial fluid, and when you crack your knuckles, these forms tiny bubbles and they burst, which causes a pop sound.